am Margaret Mans. I am born and bred in Mauriceburg. It is a town in the Swartland municipality, and it is within the West Coast District Municipality in the Western Cape Province of South Africa. I serve as the Resource Mobilization Coordinator at the Initiative for Community Advancement. The organization is a community foundation, and we are the bridge between the community and the donors. My role involves raising funds, and we have a big emphasis of raising local funds to give local communities the opportunity to give. So my role is to mobilize all resources, whether it is local, whether it is national, whether it is international, and then to distribute that resources within the area that we are working. In the area that we are working is the Bergrivier municipality, which is located also within the West Coast of the Western Cape Province. The challenge that concerns me most in grant making is the imbalance between the donor and the communities. Donors are expecting a lot from communities, and without considering the realities that communities are faced with. And I'm speaking from the point where my organization is a donor. We are grant makers. So we have all of these forms that needs to be filled in. We have all of the systems that needs to be in place. And sometimes communities are not ready and they do not have the capacity to respond positively to that requirements from a donor. So that is what is not sitting right with me. In working closely with the communities, you pick that up more and more, and then the question is, where is the link? Because we don't find each other on the ground. Because as donors, you are sitting with money, but then communities are not ready and prepared to receive that money and to use it responsibly. So yeah, and with this toolkit, it gives us the opportunity to bridge that gap, to make sure that we have a grant making system that speaks directly to the communities that we serve. As Africans, we know that we are resourced. We know that we have the ability to take responsibility for our own development. But most of our funding is coming from the North and the West. So I would really like to see that Africans give to Africans, that we are able to mobilize our resources in an effective way and have the right infrastructure to channel that resources, Africans to Africans, and that we break the dependency syndrome from people from outside must come and save us. So yeah, that is the thing that I really would like to see. And as a community foundation, we are using the asset-based principles, and we want our communities to stand up and to be capacitated and to have the confidence to drive their own development. But the NPOs and the leaders in Africa, they also need to take up that same approach when it comes to philanthropy in Africa. Okay, I bring my lived experience. As I'm working directly with communities, I am from the community that we are serving, so I bring that to the table. And also, I bring the voice of our smaller communities. And just the mere fact that I'm sitting here and have the opportunity to give my opinion on issues that is relevant, that for me is inclusion, and that is one of the things that came out strongly during these workshops that we have with the co-creation of the toolkit, is that I realized that how we exclude people, sometimes knowingly, sometimes unknowingly, but we are not intentional in our design to make sure that everybody is included and everybody is heard. So yeah, I am here because I want to learn, and I want to give what my experience, and to make sure that our voice are also heard within this sector of community development. And one thing that I think that is important in this learning space, because the community of practice is for me a learning space, is the honesty of our practitioners to share honestly what is the challenges and what is the successes on the ground, so that we can learn from one another. Because I have lots of questions, even though I have answers, but I have questions to ask from my peers and from my colleagues, so that we can learn together and that we can make sure that we provide a toolkit that will be beneficial to the communities and for the donor community.